So it's a little chilly out here and pretty windy. It's not nearly as windy as it was yesterday, but it's not your typical beach day, that's for sure. So at least the sun's out. We're gonna have some fun. Steven has a guide that he's about to be doing here soon, so he's just getting set up for that right now. Are you gonna put on a little country music?
I'll put on. Yeah, most likely.
Maybe the WAP?
It won't be rap.
What are we doing right now?
Fishing. Well, we're about to put that jet ski in the water. We're gonna put that line out there. We're gonna hook the back of that jet ski. We're gonna run it out there about that. See that dang oil field, that oil rig out there? Right there. We're gonna drop it.
Way out there.
Right there.
Okay.
Right over there.
All right.
That rod? That rig.
Okay. Okay. That rod, that rig. Putting it on the back of a t-shirt.
I ain't got time right now.
Oh my god. We'll put a voiceover or something.
You're gonna have to.
Okay.
Piece of shit. Found out.
So, I just heard y'all are all cops. Yeah? So here Johnny's taking out a bait for some bull reds. Steven's driving the drone. There's just one problem. So right about this time, Steven got distracted and then realized that the drone has not come back yet, and it was way down the beach.
Coming home now.
Oh my god.
Going down to Mexico.
Camp's flooding. Same time, huh?
About that big.
Stop eating. Let me see it.
You gotta hold it real close.
That's one of those.
Yeah.
No, hang on.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, it's massive. Oh my god, we thought we had a big one. Johnny came running out of the freaking trailer, and turns out it was just some fisherman dude pulling on the line. That's okay, we'll get one soon.
I don't know where the big harness is.
Alright, what do we think it is?
I think it's about 5 or 6 footer.
Hey, why did you start talking like that?
Oh, yeah, I know.
Okay, 5 or 6 footer. What do we think?
I don't know. I'm going to look at that.
Okay.
Wait, get it. Bring it.
11, a black tip,
Yeah, 7 foot down.
7 foot lens.
I'm trying to catch a shark.
Just,
Don't be putting that stuff on
oh
there,
my
man.
god.
Y'all get ready?
Good job, man.
Hey, don't take